Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the days of the week. Knowing the days of the week is essential for daily communication. Let's get started. The days of the week are the names we use to identify each day. There are 7 days in a week. Let's learn them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, let's practice saying the days of the week. I will say a day, and I want you to repeat it after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You are doing very well. Now let's study some expressions for days and times. Today. Today means on or in the course of this present day. Tomorrow. Tomorrow means on the day after today. After tomorrow. After tomorrow means 2 days from now. Yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday means 2 days ago. Please repeat after me. Today. Tomorrow. After tomorrow. Yesterday. The day before yesterday. Excellent! You have successfully learned the days of the week. Remember to practice using them in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.